Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. If you're like me, you really want to take care of your equipment. And one of the things that you need as far as lawn equipment or tractors and maintenance are taking care of points that you have to grease on these to make sure that they run smoothly. In order to do that, some points, like on my little zero turn here, actually came with these sealed housings here that the manufacturer actually recommended that I remove these sealed bolts and actually insert some grease zerts, which are what these are here, which actually allow you to then add grease to these to keep them functioning properly. So what I've done is I went ahead and got this entire kit that has all kinds of different sizes on here, and it actually has little wrenches in here as well. So all the tools that you need to be able to find the appropriate ones. Some of these actually just are straight on. Others of them have a right angle to them, just whatever is convenient. I'm using one here that kind of shoots off at a 45. And so I'm going to simply install that here. And when we do this, it actually is going to allow for this to be able to have some grease shot in here on regular intervals, which is going to allow for this to maintain itself. The reason it was given to me by the people we bought this from that they don't put these on here is because they're worried that people are going to get these caught on things and break them off as they're going down the road. But now that that is on there, it is easy for me to now go ahead and take a grease gun and actually shoot it on there and then go ahead and pump grease into that housing, and I can keep that going and maintained, and that way it's going to keep a lot of life in this tractor for many years to come.